Most men think the secret to making a woman fall in love is giving her more attention, texting her all day, buying expensive gifts, or trying to impress her every chance they get. But the truth is, those things often do the opposite. The harder you chase, the less valuable you appear. The more desperate you seem, the more respect you lose. If you want a woman to truly fall in love with you, you must understand one simple truth. People value what feels genuine, confident, and emotionally secure. Stay until the end, because the final point is the mistake that causes countless men to lose women they could have had. The first thing you must do is build a life that doesn't depend on her. A woman should never feel like she is your entire world after only knowing her for a short time. She wants to be part of your life, not the only thing in it. Keep working on your goals. Spend time with your family and friends. Continue enjoying your hobbies. When your happiness comes from many different areas of your life, you naturally become more attractive. A man who has purpose doesn't beg for attention because he already has something meaningful to wake up for every day. Confidence is far more attractive than perfection. Many men think they need to be the richest, the tallest, or the most handsome to win a woman's heart. That's simply not true. Women notice how comfortable you are with yourself. Speak clearly, walk with confidence, accept your strengths and your weaknesses without trying to hide them. A confident man doesn't need constant approval because he already believes in his own value. Never make her feel like she is the prize while you are trying to earn her approval. Attraction should go both ways. Instead of wondering if she likes you, ask yourself if she has the qualities you are looking for. Is she kind? Is she honest? Does she respect people? Does she bring peace into your life? When you stop putting women on a pedestal, you naturally become calmer, more confident, and more respected. Don't be too available. Many men reply within seconds every single time, cancel plans to see her, and drop everything whenever she calls. While being reliable is important, having no boundaries is not attractive. Your time is valuable too. If you're busy, finish what you're doing before replying. If you already have plans, you don't have to cancel them just because she suddenly wants to meet. A balanced life creates healthy attraction. Learn the art of listening. Most people love talking about themselves, but very few people truly listen. Instead of waiting for your turn to speak, pay attention to what she says. Remember the little details. Ask thoughtful questions. Show genuine interest without pretending. When a woman feels understood instead of judged, she becomes emotionally comfortable around you, and emotional comfort is one of the strongest foundations of love. Don't try to impress her with money or expensive gifts. Anyone can spend money. Not everyone can make someone feel safe, respected, and appreciated. If your only way of getting her attention is buying things, she may become attached to your wallet instead of your heart. Your character will always outlast your bank account. Be generous when it feels natural, but never use money to buy affection. Stay emotionally calm. One of the biggest signs of desperation is becoming anxious every time she takes longer than usual to reply. Your mind starts creating stories that she has lost interest or found someone else. Instead of panicking, remain calm. People have busy lives. Give her space without assuming the worst. Emotional stability shows maturity, and maturity earns respect. Make her laugh. Laughter creates emotional connection faster than almost anything else. You don't need to become a comedian. Simply enjoy the conversation. Don't be afraid to smile, tease playfully, or share funny experiences. A woman who laughs with you often feels relaxed around you. Those positive emotions become connected with your presence. Take care of yourself. Wear clean clothes that fit well. Practice good hygiene. Exercise regularly. Eat healthy food. Get enough sleep. You don't have to look like a movie star, but you should show that you respect yourself. When you take care of your body and appearance, you silently communicate that your life is organized and that you value yourself. Don't chase attention. Let your actions speak louder than your words. You don't have to constantly post online, hoping she'll notice you. You don't have to keep reminding her how amazing you are. Truly confident people don't advertise themselves all day. They simply live their lives, and others notice naturally. Respect her boundaries the same way you expect her to respect yours. If she says she needs time, don't pressure her. If she isn't comfortable with something, don't force it. Respect is one of the strongest forms of attraction because it creates trust. Without trust, love struggles to grow. Keep some mystery alive. You don't have to reveal every detail about your life during the first few conversations. Let her discover you over time. Relationships become exciting when both people continue learning about each other. Oversharing too early often removes the excitement of getting to know someone naturally. Don't compete with other men. If she's talking to someone else, don't insult him or try to prove you're better. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself instead. Competition based on insecurity only makes you look weak. Quiet confidence is much more powerful than loud jealousy. Compliment her beyond her appearance. Every attractive woman has heard that she's beautiful many times. Instead, notice qualities that others ignore. Compliment her kindness, intelligence, creativity, patience, humor, or determination. Those compliments feel more personal and meaningful because they recognize who she is instead of only what she looks like. Learn to walk away from disrespect. Love should never cost your self-respect. If she constantly lies, manipulates you, humiliates you, or treats you like an option while expecting you to treat her like a priority, don't beg for better treatment. Leave with dignity. Walking away from disrespect is not weakness. It is self-respect in action. Be honest about your intentions. If you're interested in her, let her know confidently instead of playing endless games. You don't have to confess your love after 2 conversations, but don't pretend to be just a friend while secretly hoping she'll magically fall for you. Confidence means expressing interest without demanding an answer. Stay patient. Real love grows over time. It cannot be rushed with constant texting, endless compliments, or emotional pressure. Give the relationship room to breathe. Healthy feelings develop naturally when 2 people consistently enjoy each other's company. Become someone who brings peace instead of drama. Nobody wants to constantly deal with unnecessary arguments, jealousy, or emotional explosions. A peaceful man becomes a safe place where a woman can relax instead of feeling stressed. Emotional peace is rare, and rare qualities are deeply attractive. Never lose yourself trying to keep someone else. Some men completely change their personality just to fit what they think a woman wants. They stop enjoying their hobbies, abandon their friends, and agree with everything she says, but pretending eventually becomes exhausting. The right woman should fall in love with the real you, not the version you're acting to be. Develop emotional strength. Life will bring disappointments, misunderstandings, and difficult conversations. Don't run away every time something feels uncomfortable. Face problems calmly. Admit your mistakes when you're wrong. Stand by your values when you're right. Emotional strength creates trust because it shows you can handle life's challenges without falling apart. Make your words match your actions. If you promise to call, call. If you promise to show up, be there. Consistency is one of the strongest ways to earn respect. Anyone can make beautiful promises. Very few people consistently keep them. Understand that attraction cannot be forced. You can become your best self, communicate well, and treat someone with respect, yet they may still not choose you. That's okay. Rejection does not reduce your value. It simply means you are not the right match for each other. Accepting rejection with maturity is one of the clearest signs of confidence. Here's something many men never realize. Women don't usually fall in love because a man chased them harder than everyone else. They fall in love because they feel emotionally safe, respected, understood, and inspired by the man they are with. They admire his confidence. They trust his consistency. They appreciate his emotional maturity. They respect his boundaries because he respects theirs. The greatest mistake you can make is believing that desperation is a sign of love. It isn't. Desperation comes from fear. Love comes from confidence, patience, respect, and emotional security. When you stop trying to convince someone to choose you and instead become a man who naturally deserves respect, everything changes. Even if one woman walks away, your confidence stays, your purpose stays, your self-respect stays. Ironically, that's the kind of man women find hardest to forget. So, don't chase love by losing yourself. Build yourself into a man whose confidence, kindness, purpose, and self-respect speak so loudly that love has every reason to walk toward you instead of away from you.